Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Saturday. This is Darlene. Yesterday I really didn't go to Joann's, but I was over by Joann's and I went in actually to go get some wire. They didn't have wire when I went in, the 18 gauge, what I wanted. So I went looking at the beads like we probably always do, right? They had the beads in this one particular store, 3 strands for $10. So I did grab these red and white beads. I'm like so in love with these. I've already made 2 pair of earrings with these already, 2 or 3, 2 pair of with using these. And I do love the yin yang beads. So I went ahead and got another strand of these yin yangs. I really, really love these. I wish I had I think they had like two left. I wish I had got more of them, but hey. So I got those. I also picked up some more of these little natural stone beads, all the different colors. I really like these, and for some reason every time I go in the store they do not have them anymore. And when I was in the store yesterday, I actually ended up going to 2 different Joann's, and when I was in the store, both the stores at 2 different times, I was thinking somebody some of y'all got to be living in San Diego, because every time I go in these stores, I promise you everything that I use in these videos is literally sold out. So some of y'all is in San Diego and y'all ain't telling me. So something is going on, okay? So I did get those. I had to get some more ear wires. So not ear wires. What they really call these things? Fish hooks, but ear wires. So I got 2 packs of these. I really love the quality of these. And also there's a particular vendor that I purchased from on Amazon, and that link is in the description down there, that I buy on Amazon. But if I got to buy ear wires from any store, I'm going to buy them at Joann's, and I'm going to get the Hildy and Joe, the 200 pack, because these are really, really good quality. The one of the packages that I bought last time, and I was kind of mentioning that in some videos, how, let's see if we got one here. That is the worst pack I have ever bought. Okay, like this one. So you see how that's not all the way closed. You probably can't even see that, but how it's not all the way closed. Let me see. How it's not all the way closed. And it was a lot of them that were like this. And I've never bought their product and that has been like that. And this is what I'm buying. So I'm like, man, they must be really rushing, rushing through to create these things. So I did get these 2. And I also got some more of the natural shells. And I got these because look at all these beads you get. I can make a lot of multiples with these beads, even if I only use 2 beads per earring. So if I use 2 beads per earring, or maybe even 3 beads per earring, just to make some cute little dainty earrings and sell them as bulk on these 3 different sites where I have them in bulk, guess what? That's still making a really good profit. So this is a lot of beads. I don't know how many is on here, but this is a lot of beads. But I got these yesterday too. I also got more stretch wire. Not stretch wire, but stretch cord. So I did get 3 more of these. Let's see, what else did I get? I think that was all I got. So I got the stretch cord. I got 4 strands of beads. And then I got 2 of the Hildy and Joe ear wires. And did pretty good with whatever little discounts that I had. Something I had a coupon that was 50% off. I think everything was 25% off. And then the girl found some other type of coupon, or whatever else she did. So I came out doing pretty good. Came out pretty good. But anyway, Joann haul from yesterday. And guess what? We'll talk.